Okay, guys, so now that we've completed our sequence, I've got titles, I've got music, and I have, of course, my videos all plugged in here. It is time to kind of put the finishing touches on our project. So the first thing I want to do is I want to add a credits scene. So like an ending credit scene. So what I'm going to do this is I am going to go ahead and go to my graphics again. All right. And yes, there is this little credits box, but I don't really like the way that those are set up. So for our purposes, just use the basic title again. What we're going to do is we're going to drag it, just like we did with our other one, and drag it right into there. All right. And let's start making our ending credits. So the first thing you want to put is your director. Which is most likely going to be yourself for this project. And since you are also the editor, you're just going to go ahead and put director, or really what you want to put is directed and edited. We want to make sure we're using capital letters for titles. Okay. By, and then enter in your name. All right, and then we're going to go enter twice. All right, and the next thing we want to put is we want to put who our producer is. Your producer is going to be whoever your teacher is. By, and for me, that's going to be myself. Oh, I could spell. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and drag this up a little bit, and it's okay. I'm going to drag it off screen. Not a big deal. We'll be all right. Okay, I'm going to go enter twice again. All right, and then we want to put who provided our music. So we're going to put music provided by. All right. Now I'm going to put provided by because I use SoundsBound. If you use an actual artist who gave you permission to use their work, then you're actually going to put their name, right? Whatever that artist's name is. And sometimes they even ask that you put like a link to their work, and you would put that here as well. But I use SoundsBound, so I'm just going to put SoundsBound. Okay? All right, and then the last thing we want to put is that this is a production of Stevens High School. So we're just going to put this is a production of Stevens High School. And I missed the T in there. Okay? And let's go ahead and capitalize production. Okay? And that's all we need to put in here. Okay? Now what we want is we want this to scroll. So in order to get it to scroll, what we need to do is we're going to go to Effects. Okay? And when we click on the Effects window, sometimes you'll see it like this. That just means you need to click on wherever you want to add the effect. And so we're going to add the effect to this title screen here. All right? And what we are going to be changing, all right, if you scroll down, is the position here. Uh-oh, and it looks like I accidentally changed my script. So let's go. We'll just use this one for now. Okay, we want to change is this position here. So I want to pick my starting position first. So to start, I want to move my marker all the way to the beginning. Okay, I'll move my marker all the way to the beginning of my clip. And then I'm going to move my credits to wherever I want them to start. So I want them to actually start off screen. So I'm going to drag them all the way till they're just below the black line. All right, and then I'm going to click this little timer button right here. It looks like a little stopwatch. I'm going to go ahead and click that. All right, so what that's going to do is that's going to create our first keyframe for this footage. Now the next thing I need to do is move my marker to the end of the clip. Okay, make sure I got it right at the end. All right, and then I'm going to drag my video or my words all the way until they scroll off the page. And I know I've done this correctly, is if I get this dotted line here, I know that I have correctly moved the video off the page. Okay? And so now, if we go all the way to the beginning and we press play, we should see the credits are scrolling. So that's all there is to it. Okay, so I hope this helps you guys create some cool credits. Can't wait to see how you guys' edits come out.